one thinks about mothers in Bollywood, the first thought that comes to our mind is none other than Mother India. In multiple ways, Mother India broke the pattern that defined an on-screen mother in the Hindi film industry. This was a far cry from Bollywood mothers who ruled the screens in the 60s, 70s and even later. All sorts of tactics were applied to make the mother figure more helpless and destitute. In fact, actress Nirupa Roy played such roles in so many movies that she got the title of Queen of Misery. But over the ages, the Bollywood's depiction of a mother has seen a tremendous change in terms of the portrayal of characters, behavioral perception, and the ultimate notion of what mothers really are. This, of course, is a welcoming change. A mom in films is no longer a person standing at the doorstep with a puja ki thali, waiting endlessly for her child. Today, filmy moms are flawed and messy. They are real. Bollywood made mothers accessories to the plot, but it was only in case of biological mothers. As in the case of stepmothers, things were even more stereotypical. In most cases, a stepmother was shown to be a vindictive, cruel and manipulative woman who lived to ruin the life of the hero or the heroine. Actresses like Lalita Pawar and Manorama became the faces of cruel stepmother in Bollywood. So either you were the goddess of sacrifice or the wicked witch of the East. There was nothing in between. Then came the 1990s and it introduced us to Reema Lagoo as the most gentle on-screen mother, with films like Maine Pyar Kiya, Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, Vastav, Aashiqui, Judwa, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and more. She was the sweetest and the kindest mother. Many other films had a similar mother figure on screen like Farida Jalal in Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, Jaya Bachchan in Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, to name a few. The one role which shattered the stereotyped Ma role was Kya Kehna. In this, Preeti Zinta played a young unwed mother who takes on the society to protect her unborn child. However, nothing comes close to Bollywood mothers of today. From Sridevi in English Winglish to Ratna Pathak in Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na, the mothers on screen became more real and more vulnerable. Now she's not just there to push the story, she has a story to tell. The new age mothers in Bollywood have opinions like Shefali Shah in Dil Dhadakne Do. She's scared of losing her child in case of Vidya Balan in Pa. Today's on-screen mother is trying to understand homosexuality in her own ways, like Kiran Kher in Dostana or Ratna Pathak Shah's character in Kapoor and Sons, and supports her daughter like Swara Bhaskar in Nil Batte Sannata. Secret Superstar offered us lovely chemistry between a mother and daughter, Meher Vij and Zaira Wasim. The film also gave a message that people can abuse and dominate us only until we allow them to do so. The film also carved out an equal-footed friendship between two distinct women. Talking about mothers who have made an impression on the cinephiles are Neena Gupta's character from Badhai Ho, which flawlessly dealt with late pregnancy and how she fought to break the notions of society. This leads us to another mother, which was portrayed by Tabu in Jawani Janeman. A messy mother with a child outside wedlock and giving a damn to the society was refreshing. Not just that, mothers are more accepting and they will stand with their child no matter what. No one better than Dolly Ahluwalia's character in Vicky Donor and Neena Gupta's character from Shubh Mangal Zyada Savdhan had made that point prominent. The evolution of mothers in Bollywood has certainly been an interesting one. They are more realistic and human today. One major reason is also that cinema has stepped up to feature more women-centric films. The challenge, however, is to present the new age mom without eliminating the core attributes that define motherhood.